Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Fa Ahmad Arabic class. Me, Fa Ahmad Arabic coach. Continue to foundation course of Arabic curriculum in Gulf countries, GCC countries, and for other beginners. It is part number 12, and I hope you might have watched from part number 1 till part number 11. So it is part number 12. Today we will learn reading practice with sukoon sign, with sukoon, right? With sukoon. So let's begin. Let's begin sukoon sign. So from sukoon sign, see, okay, and yes. First write it. See the word. Okay, I write it. See. Okay, and at this stage, I hope you can write, right? You can write properly. So, and I hope you can read also, right? Okay, so alif ain fatha a and qaf. This is qaf sakin, right? So qaf sakin, yani qaf has sukoon sign is called qaf sakin. Okay, any cutting sound. So ain fatha a or qaf cutting sound join together ak ak ak. So ain fatha qaf sakin ak cutting sound. So it is cutting sound ak. So ain fatha and qaf sakin ak, right? Is it ak? Ain fatha qaf sakin ak ak ak. And this word is akrab. Okay, akrab. So ain fatha qaf sakin ak, and read in flow ak ak ak. Okay, so it is sukun sign, right? Is a cutting sound. Okay, ak ak akrab akrab. Okay, now let's see other word. Let's see other word. Okay, see other word. Okay, here is a dal, ra, and sin. Okay, sin. So dal fatah and ra sakin. Yani ra has sukun sign is called ra sakin. So dal fatah ra sakin dar dar, right? Dar. So dal fatah ra sakin sounds dar dar. So this word is dars. It is dars, dars, dars. So first is akrab, 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 and it is dars, dar, dars. Dal fatara sakin, dar, dars, dars. Okay. So it is fatha sign. So here is a sukoon sign with fatha short vowel. Now next example, sukoon sign, sukoon with short vowel kasra. Let's see, short vowel kasra. First remove it. Okay, okay. So sukoon with short vowel kasra. Let's see, dal kasra, ra sukoon sign. It means rasakin, right? So dal fatha rasakin. Dir, 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 ham, dirham. It is dirham, dirham. So dal kasra ra sakin, dir, dir. Here sukoon with short vowel kasra. Dir, 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 dirham, dirham. Okay, let's see other example. Let's see other example. Okay, dirham. Now here is meme, meme, meme kasra and ra sakin. Ra has sukun sign. It means ra sakin, ra sakin. Okay, so ra sakin, mir. So meme kasra, ra sakin, mir, mir, and it word it is mirbat, mirbat. So ra kasra, ra kasra, mim kasra, ra sakin, mir, mim kasra, ra sakin, mir, mir, mirbat, 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 mirbat. Okay, so mim kasra, ra sakin, mir, and here dal kasra, ra sakin, dir, dirham, mirbat. Okay, now sukoon with short vowel dhamma. So remove it. Sukoon with short vowel dhamma, the u sound, right? U sound. Okay, so let's see word. Okay, this is famous word. Ba, ba dhamma. Okay, rasakin, rasakin, rasakin. Okay, rasakin. Ba dhamma rasakin. Bur, ba dhamma rasakin, bur, bur, bur. Ba dhamma ra sakin, bur, and jim, burj. No, burj khalifa, burj khalifa, burj. तो ba dhamma ra sakin, bur, burj, bur, bur. Ba dhamma ra sakin, bur, burj, burj. So it is sukun sign. Okay, cutting sound, bur, burj. Okay, let's see other example. Burj, and one more word like this is dal. Here is dal, dal dhamma, ra sakin, dal dhamma, ra sakin. Okay, and g. So dal dhamma, ra sakin, dur, dur, right? Dal dhamma, ra sakin, dal dhamma, ra sakin, dur, dur, durj, durj, right? Dal dhamma, ra sakin, dur, dur, and jim, durj. So dal dhamma ra sakin, durj, and ba dhamma ra sakin, burj. Okay, bur. So burj and durj. Done. Okay, yes. So I hope you might have understood. Okay, how to read sakin, right? How to read sakin with short vowel fatha, with short vowel kasra, and with short vowel dhamma. Okay, so I hope you might have understood, and now you can read sakin, right? Okay, so please like, share, and subscribe my channel Fa Ahmad Arabic class. Thanks for watching. Okay, let's see in let's see you. So in next session, uh, I will teach you shadda. Shadda means double letter. So in next session, I will teach you shadda means double letter. Okay. So yes. So please like, share, and subscribe my channel again. Okay. Thanks for watching. Okay. Assalamu alaikum. Ma'assalam.